Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. I will explain about our methodology. Methodology will discuss about the flow of this project from the beginning until finish this project. The flow is very important to illustrate the sequence of operation to finish the work. From the flow chart below, the first task we do as a team is to form a group and distribute tasks. The next method is to create MATLAB code for DFT of signal function. Then we plot and analyze the magnitude and spectrum of the signal. After that, we need to design the high-pass filter using Simulink. To filter the code, we use MATLAB. It filters the original signal, then we plot and analyze the magnitude and spectrum of the signal. Last but not least, we record the result request by each question.
Figure shows the code for input response, magnitude, and phase of signal. Firstly, set x is FFT function of x. Fs is the length of the sampling frequency, where the value of sampling frequency in this project is 8000 Hz. The figure shows the input signal, input magnitude spectrum, and input phase spectrum. The blue frequency is representing the bird chirping, and the orange frequency is representing the song frequency. From the graph, the amplitude of bird chirping is mostly higher than the song frequency. This is the block diagram of this project. In this project, the digital filter is very important in order to design a filter for removing the unwanted signal. High-pass filter is used in this project to remove the amplitude that produced from the song. Usually, bird chirping frequency are between 2500 Hz until 5000 Hz, and the song frequency is lower than the frequency of the bird chirping. Next, the figure shows the sampling frequency is set to 8000 Hz and the cutoff frequency is 3900 Hz. According to Nyquist's sampling theorem, the sampling frequency to produce the exact original waveform should be double the original frequency of the signal. So, the value of cutoff frequency is set to 3900 Hz because bird chirping frequency is high but the sound frequency is low. So, 3900 Hz is almost half of the sampling frequency. You should be eliminating the sound frequency as many as possible. After applying the filter, the result obtained as in the figure. The figure shows the output signal, output magnitude spectrum, and output phase spectrum. Comparisons can be made through the diagram between before and after filter. Based on the graph, before filter, the sound frequency is almost the same with the bird chirping frequency, while after filter only left the bird chirping frequency and the song frequency almost been eliminated.
Okay, lepas tu kau kasih keluar satu. Okay, keluar ni sebesar. Oh, lebih je. Apa yang balik? Oh, besar. Okay. Lepas tu, 30. Kasih besar. ada ke jari aku gunuk tadi?
Rasa nak itu je.
Itu dah. Nanti